finally got to try the Woodlands Pasar Malam, okay?
I want a potato. Thank you.
I was really exhausted after a long filming day, so I was like, hey, there's this Pasar Malam and there are corn dogs. I'm not missing out. Also, this really cute vendor made the corn dogs. And one thing I really like about this Pasar Malam is that there are seats provided outside. I also spotted a tornado potato vendor. And yes, I might develop another pimple tomorrow. So I got the nacho cheese corn dog with cheese inside. It was piping hot because it was made fresh. The waiting time was about 5 to 10 minutes, which is pretty standard. And ooh, look at that cheese pull. There was a lot of mozzarella cheese in this. Like, look, I keep pulling it, it just won't stop. The nacho cheese sauce on top though. Next up, I tried the potato corn dog, which is covered in tiny pieces of potatoes outside, drizzled in a generous amount of ketchup and mustard. That was like your standard corn dog. And now for the exciting part, the potato tornado. Okay, this one surprised me in a very not pleasant way. It was very soggy, it was soft. I thought it would be hot. And the topping outside was really grainy, which I'm assuming is coconut shavings. Anyway, do let me know what else you want to see me try. Thanks for watching and bye.